anybody connect me, please connect. I am Robin Mukherjee. Now I am in live. If anybody connect me, please connect. Daily I discuss civil engineering execution, project and plan related item. Daily I discuss civil engineering execution, project and plan related item. Today I discuss the ultimate checklist for civil site engineers in 2025. The ultimate checklist for civil site engineers in 2025. This is the format, checklist format. This is the checklist format. Construction site checklist. Construction site checklist. This checklist is to be utilized to identify, review, and correct and conditions or hazard that may endanger, endanger personal, contractors, or members of the public in incident. Hazard reports are to be completed on SF 001. Job number, site, date, track of condition, tick result, yes, no, not applicable. And action to address it result is no, then include the action. Site instruction toolbox has a site induction toolbox talk been conducted and signed by all personnel involved in the task. Site induction toolbox has a site induction toolbox talk been conducted and signed by all personnel involved in the task. Daily risk assessment. Please write documents and review number SF 012. Review, check, revision. Daily risk assessment. Is the risk assessment available on site? Is the risk available assessment is available on site? Is the site specific? Is the site specific? Is the completed correctly for the work site? Is the completed correctly for the work site? Has it been signed on date each day? Has it been signed and date each day? Does it address pedestrian safety? Does it address pedestrian safety? Does it address vehicle safety? Does it address vehicle safety? Does it address plant safety? Does it address plant safety? If dangerous goods are in use, are there adequate safety controls in place? Is the supervisor nominated? Is the supervisor nominated? Is the first aid nominated? First aid nominated. Is the master point nominated and it's suitable? Is the master point nominated and it's suitable? Are environmental consideration added? Are environmental consideration added? Are all nominated controls in place? Are all nominated controls in place? Are all nominated controls effective? Are all nominated controls effective? Number three, safe work method statement. Safe work method statement. Please write documents and review number SF 050. Review, check, review. Is the HWMS available on site? Is the site specific? Does it address all tasks and associated hazards? Have the non-relevant steps been crossed out? Have the relevant legislation, standards, codes of practice been highlighted? Have the relevant work instruction, formwork, risk assessment been identified? Are the relevant work instruction, form, forms, risk assessment on site? Does the workforce have the necessary training? Has plant and equipment been identified? Have the environmental consideration been addressed? Has the HWMS been signed by all personnel involved in the task? Are all required controls in place? Are all required controls effective? This is the sketch. The ultimate checklist for civil site engineers in 2025. The ultimate checklist for civil site engineers in 2025. In 2025, the role of civil site engineer goes far beyond supervision with tighter schedules, stricter quality standards, digital tools, and higher safety explanation. Having a clear practical checklist is essential for daily site successes. In 2025, the role of a civil site engineer goes far beyond supervision with tighter schedules, stricter quality standard, stricter quality standard, digital tools, and higher safety explanation. Having a clear practical checklist is essential for daily site success. The- this ultimate checklist is designed for residential, commercial, and infrastructure projects, keeping modern construction practices in mind. This ultimate checklist is designed for residential, commercial, and infrastructure projects, keeping modern construction practices in mind. Number one, pre-construction checklist. Pre-construction checklist. Site and documentation. Site and documentation. Approved drawing, latest revision only. Approved drawing, latest revision only. GFC, good for construction drawings available on site. GFC, good for construction drawings available on site. Soil investigation report reviewed. Soil investigation report reviewed. Layout and benchmark established. Layout and benchmark established. Method statement approved. Method statement approved. Bar bending schedule BBS checked. Bar bending schedule BBS checked. Resources planning. Resources planning. Material vendors finalized. Materials vendors finalized. Approved material sample. Approved material sample. Skilled and unskilled manpower availability. Skilled and unskilled manpower availability. Tools, machinery, and formwork readiness. Tools, machinery, and formwork readiness. Number two, daily site engineer checklist. Daily site engineer checklist. This is the sketch. Construction project sketch. Company name, project name, address, location, project deadline, weather condition, date of inspection, supervisor. General site condition, yes, no, not applicable. Access and eagerness. Are access points clear, well lit and properly marked? Are access points clear, well lit and properly marked? Are exit routes clearly design, designated and under unobstructed? Are exit routes clearly designated and unobstructed? Are emergency exits easily accessible and free from obstruction? Are emergency exits easily accessible and free from obstruction? Perimeter security. Perimeter security. Is the site perimeter securely fenced off or barricaded? Is the site perimeter securely fenced off or barricaded? Are warning signs and safety notice prominently displayed at entry point? Are warning signs and safety notice prominently displayed at entry point? Construction site safety inspection checklist. Construction inspection checklist. Fire safety. Fire safety. Are fire extinguishers strategically located and easily accessible? Are fire extinguishers strategically located and easily accessible? Are flammable materials stored in designated areas away from ignition sources? Are flammable materials stored in designated areas away from ignition sources? Are smoking areas clearly marked and located away from flammable material? Are smoking areas clearly marked and located away from flammable material? Emergency preparedness. Emergency preparedness. Preparedness. Is there designated assembly point for emergency evacuation? Is there a designated assembly point for emergency evacuation? Are emergency contact number and procedure prominently displayed? Are emergency contact number and procedures prominently displayed? Are workers trained in emergency response procedures, including fire drills? Are workers trained in emergency response procedures, including fire drills? Personal protective equipment, PPE. Personal protective equipment, PPE. Yes, no, not a head protection, head protection. Are all workers wearing hard hats or helmets where required? Are all workers wearing hard hats or helmets where required? Are hand are hard hats in good condition and properly fitted? Are hard hats in good condition and properly fitted? Construction inspection checklist. Construction inspection checklist. This is the format. Various type of checklist. You will follow this. Site attendance and manpower deployment. Site attendance and manpower deployment. Work executed as per drawing. Work executed as per drawing. Line level and alignment check. Line level and alignment check. Line level and alignment check. Material received and consumption recorded. Material received and consumption recorded. Coordination with contractor and consultant. Coordination with contractors and consultant. Daily progress report PPR. Daily progress report PPR. Photographic documentation updated. Photographic documentation updated. Number 3, excavation and foundation checklist. Excavation and foundation checklist. Excavation dimensions as per drawing. Excavation dimensions as per drawing. Bottom level and slope verified. Bottom level and slope verified. Deordering arrangement if required. Deordering arrangement if required. PCC thickness and level checked. PCC thickness and level checked. Anti-termite treatment completed. Anti-termite treatment completed. Foundation reinforcement checked. Foundation reinforcement checked. Shuttering alignment and tightness verified. Shuttering alignment and tightness verified. Number 4, reinforcement checklist critical. Reinforcement checklist critical. The checklist format. This is the checklist format. Reinforcement. This is the reinforcement. Site reinforcement. Inspection checklist. Project number. Concrete reinforcement. Number 1. Shop drawings are approved and on site. Shop drawings are approved and on site. Number 2, grade of steel delivered as required. Grade of steel delivered as required. Number 3, spacing coordinate to suite masonry concrete unit. Spacing coordinated to suite masonry concrete unit. Number 4, required clearance of steel from forms provided. Required clearance of steel from forms provided. Number 5, length of splices and staggered splices as required. Length of splices and staggered splices are as required. Number 6, bends within radius and tolerance are uniformly made. Bends within radius and tolerance are uniformly made. Number 7, additional bars at intersections, openings and corners provided. Additional bars at intersections, openings and corners provided. Number 8, bars clean of materials that affected bond. Bars cleaned of materials that affect bond. Number 9, dowels for marginal bars at opening. Dowels for marginal bars at opening. Number 10, bars tied and supported to avoid displacement. Bars tied and supported to avoid displacement. Number 11, spacers, tie wires, chairs as required. Spacers, tie wires, chairs as required. Number 12, conduit is separated by 3 conduit diameters minimum. Conduit is separated by 3 conduit diameters minimum. Number 13, no conduit or pipe placed below rebar material except where approved. No conduit or pipe placed below rebar material except where approved. Number 14, no contact of bars is made with dissimilar materials. Dissimilar metals No contact of bars is made with dissimilar metals. Number 15. Bar not near surface which may cause rusting. Bar not near surface which may cause rusting. Number 16. Adequate clearance provided for deposit of concrete. Adequate clearance provided for deposit of concrete. Number 70. Verify that contractor has resolved conflicts with embedded embeds. Verify that contractor has resolved conflicts with embeds. Number 18. Verify that contractor has coordinated or for anchors, piping, sleeves. Verify that contractor has coordinated for anchors, piping, sleeves. Number 19. Special coating as required. Special coating as required. Number 20. No bend bars and tension members installed except where approved. No bend bars and tension members installed except where approved. Number 21. Unless approved, boxing out is not approved for subsequent grouting out. Unless approved, boxing out is not approved for subsequent grouting out. Number 22. Rules for bar splices. Rules for bar splices. For 24D lap, multiply per bar size by 3 equal to lap inch. For 32D lap, multiply bar size by 4 equal to lap in inch. For 40D lap, multiply bar size by 5 lap in inch. Number 23. Agency engineer inspection is performed if required. Agency engineer inspection is performed if required. General notes inspected by and date. Why cover blocks are used in reinforcement by Ohm concrete product? By Ohm concrete product. This is the sketch by cover block. This is the sketch. Finishing work checklist. Finishing work checklist. Why cover blocks are used in reinforcement by Ohm concrete product? Bar diameter spacing as per drawing. Bar diameter spacing as per drawing. Correct lapse and development length. Correct lapse and development length. Cover blocks of correct size and material. Cover blocks of correct size and material. Reinforcement free from oil, mud, rust. Reinforcement free from oil, mud, and rust. Chairs and spacers provided. Chairs and spacers provided. Openings and inserts coordinated. Openings and inserts coordinated. Coordinated. Number 5. Shuttering and formwork checklist. Shuttering and formwork checklist. Line level and plumb check. Line level and plumb check. Proper support and bracing. Proper support and bracing. Joint shield to prevent leakage. Joint shield to prevent leakage. Release agent applied. Release agent applied. Shape assess and working platform. Shape assess and working platform. Formwork approval before concreting. Formwork shuttering work approval before concreting. Number 6. Concreting checklist. Concreting checklist. Approved concrete mix design. Approved concrete mix design. Slump test performed and recorded. Slump test performed and recorded. Cube samples cast and labeled. Cube samples cast and labeled. Proper vibration ensured. Proper vibration ensured. Cold joints avoided. Cold joints avoided. Curing method plan in advance. Curing method, plan in advance. Number 7, masonry and plastering checklist. Masonry and plastering checklist. Brick block quality approved. Brick block quality approved. Mortar mix proportion verified. Mortar mix proportion verified. Verticality and alignment check. Verticality and alignment check. Proper curing of masonry. Proper curing of masonry. Surface preparation before plaster. Surface preparation before plaster. Uniform plaster thickness maintained. Uniform plaster thickness maintained. Finishing work checklist. Finishing work checklist. This is the drawing. This is the site sketch. Finishing work checklist. QA/QC checklist. Quality assurance, quality control checklist. Ceramic tile installation. Ceramic tile installation. Project name, project number, date completed by. Number 1, pre-installation, yes, no, comment. Description, serial number. Number 1, material to be used are in line with all approved drawings and specifications. Materials to be used are in line with all approved drawings and specifications. Number 2, subfloor has been checked and is good condition, no cracking or demolition. Subfloor has been checked and is good condition, no cracking or delamination. Number 3, floor is clean, free from dust and debris. Floor is clean and free from dust and debris. Number 4, any uneven areas have been patched or leveled. Any uneven areas have been patched or leveled. Number 5, access is clear and safe. Temporary access has been provided as required. Access is clear and safe. Temporary access has been provided as required. Number 6, no major cracks or joints are present. No major cracks or joints are present. Anti-crack membrane or membrane. Anti-crack membrane or expansion joints have been applied if present. Anti-crack, no major cracks or joints are present. Anti-crack membrane or expansion joints have been applied if present. Number 7, area is dry, free from moisture, well ventilated. Area is dry, free from moisture and well ventilated. Number 8, adhesive material has been confirmed acceptable for substructure. Adhesive material has been confirmed acceptable for surface. Number 9, floor is level and or within tolerance. Floor is level and or within tolerance. Number 10, material data sheet have been reviewed for any specific quality requirement. Material data sheet have been reviewed for any specific quality requirement. Number 11, layout has been verified. Walls have been confirmed, square and true. Patterns or pattern for grout lines has been signed off on alignment with wall line, wall tile, etc. Layout has been verified, walls have been confirmed, square and true. Pattern for grout lines has been signed off on alignment with walls, wall tile, etc. Number 12. All transition have been reviewed and transition materials identified. All transitions have been reviewed and transition materials identified. Other, please specify. Number 13. Other, please specify. Post installation. Post installation. Number 14. This has been installed free from scraps and scratches, etc. This post installation. 14. Tile has been installed free from scraps, scratches, etc. Tiles has been installed from free from scraps, scratches, etc. Number 15. All tile have been buttered properly. Grout or mortar is applied consistently on each tile. All tiles have been buttered properly. Grout or mortar is applied consistently on each tile. 16. Number 16. Tile is free from dirt and debris. Tile is free from dirt and debris. Number 17. All transition strips, control joints, expansion joints, etc. have been installed per plans and specification. All transition splits, control joints, expansion joints, etc. have been installed per plans and specification. Number 18. All carts have been made cleanly. All carts have been made cleanly. Number 19. Temporary protection, if required, has been installed. Temporary protection, if required, has been installed. Number 20. Space is clean and organized. Space is clean and organized. Number 21. Any trash has been disposed of. Any trash trash has been disposed of. Number 22. Others specify. Please specify. Others please specify. Completed by company name, checked by company name. Date signature, date signature. Painting inspection checklist. Painting inspection checklist. This is the format. Painting inspection checklist. Professionally verified by a registered engineer. Professionally verified by registered engineer. High quality construction form. High quality construction form. Excel file fully editable. Excel file fully editable. Printable format in PDF. Printable format in PDF. Instant download. Easy to print. Instruction included. Tile label and joint alignment. Tile label and joint alignment. Hollow tile check. Hollow tile check. Waterproofing test conducted. Waterproofing test conducted. Putty and primer applied properly. Putty and primer applied properly. Paint shade and finished approved. Paint shade and finished approved. Snack list prepared and closed. Snack list prepared and closed. Checklist prepared and closed. Number 9. Safety checklist non-negotiable in 2025. Safety checklist non-negotiable in 2025. PPE, use helmet, shoes, gloves. PPE, personal protective equipment. Uses helmet, shoes, gloves. Safety signage display. Safety signage displayed. Scaffolding and ladders inspected. Scaffolding and ladders inspected. Electrical safety compliance. Electrical safety compliance. Fire extinguisher available. Fire extinguisher available. Toolbox talks conducted. Toolbox talks conducted. accident register maintain. Accident register maintain. Number 10, quality control and testing checklist. Quality control and testing checklist. Cube test result monitored. Cube test result monitored. Material test certificate verified. Material test certificate verified. Waterproofing test report. Waterproofing test report. Non-destructive test if required. Non-destructive test if required. Third party inspection compliance. Third party inspection compliance. Number 11, digital and technology checklist 2025 focus. Digital and technology checklist 2025 focus. Daily reports via mobile app. Daily reports via mobile app. Cloud-based drawing access. Cloud-based drawing access. BIM coordination awareness. BIM coordination awareness. Digital measurement record. Digital measurement record. Site photos geo tags. Site photos geo tagged. Communication logs maintained. Communication logs maintained. Number 12, handover and completion checklist. Handover and completion checklist. Handover and completion checklist. As-built drawing updated. As-built drawings updated. Completion certificate. Completion certificate. Test report complied. Test report compiled. O and M manual collected. O and M manuals collected. Final snag list clear. Final snag list clear. Checklist clear. Client handover completed. Client handover completed. Common mistake site engineer must avoid. Common mistake site engineers must avoid. Working with outdated drawing. Working with outdated drawing. Skipping reinforcement checks. Skipping reinforcement checks. Poor documentation. Poor documentation. Inadequate curing. Inadequate curing. Ignoring safety violation. Ignoring safety violation. Conclusion. In 2025, a successful civil site engineer is organized, safety focused, quality driven, and digitally smart. This ultimate checklist helps ensure error-free execution, timely delivery, and professional growth on every project. Conclusion. In 2025, a successful civil site engineer is organized, safety focused, quality driven, and digitally smart. This ultimate checklist helps ensure error-free execution, timely delivery, and professional growth on every project. Want more? I can provide printable PDF site engineer checklist. Printable PDF site engineer checklist. Daily site report format. Inspection checklist trade-wise. Interview questions for site engineers. Method statement for all major work. Just tell me what you want and I will prepare it for you. Just tell me what you want and I will prepare it for you. Now I end my video. All are requested. If you are like my video, please subscribe my channel. All are requested. If you are like my video, please subscribe my channel. সবাইকে একটাই রিকোয়েস্ট করবো, ভিডিওগুলো স্কিপ করবেন না, স্ক্রল করবেন না, পুরো ভিডিও দেখবেন। দেখলে অনেক কিছু জানতে পারবেন এবং শিখতে পারবেন। বেশি সংখ্যা শেয়ার করবেন যাতে বেশি সংখ্যক ভিউয়ার্স ভিডিওগুলো থেকে উপকৃত হয়। চ্যানেলটিকে ভালোবাসা দেবেন, ভিডিওগুলোকে লাইক করবেন, হাইপ করবেন এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন। চ্যানেলটিকে ভালোবাসা দেবেন, ভিডিওগুলোকে লাইক করবেন, হাইপ করবেন এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন। নোটিফিকেশন বেলটিকে অন করে রাখবেন, আমি ভিডিও ছাড়ার সাথে সাথে আপনাদের কাছে নোটিফিকেশন পৌঁছে যাবে। নোটিফিকেশন বেলটিকে অন করে রাখবেন, আমি ভিডিও ছাড়ার সাথে সাথে আপনাদের কাছে নোটিফিকেশন পৌঁছে যাবে। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ, বাই।